Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power. Plug in the PSU or charge the battery, then press the power button to observe lights. Once done, open the case or back panel and visually inspect SATA, M2, and power leads. Loose clips or bent pins are common culprits. Make sure you have a spare data cable and a screwdriver in reach so you can swap components quickly. You're establishing a baseline, powered system, intact cables, and tools ready to take corrective action. Now you test and reseat components. Power down, unplug, then firmly reconnect the drive's power and data cables. Listen for the click. If it's an NVMe, remove and reseat the module with the correct standoff torque because poor contact causes no boot errors. Once reassembled, power on and enter BIOS or UEFI to check if the drive appears and to confirm boot order. If still undetected, swap the drive into a known good bay, finish by replacing any faulty cable or drive you identified, then boot into BIOS to reapply correct settings like OSI versus RAID if your OS requires it. When the drive is detected but not booting, use recovery media to repair the bootloader or restore a system image. Follow on-screen repair tools step by step. If the issue remains, test alternate motherboard ports and install firmware/BIOS updates because controller faults can mimic cable failures. One tip: if swapping cables and ports didn't help,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.